What's up?
Oh my God. What an introduction. I'm here with the obviously amazing Nat from Bibby Consulting, all the way from Perth.
Yes, we're in Melbourne.
Yeah, it's actually freezing, so I do feel bad for you.
It is so cold over here.
Really cold. So you're actually one of the OG LinkedIn influencers, trainers, gurus in Australia. So I'm excited to talk to you.
Okay.
Now, firstly, I love productivity hacks, which is kind of ironic because I'm probably the least productive person I know. But you have one to share.
I do. I can't claim that I created it. It was created by a guy called Gary Keller who wrote a book called The One Thing. But what this book basically suggests is you write your to-do list in the morning, like we all do, I guess, and we may even put them in priority order. But then what you do is you take that to-do list, you turn the page over and you just write one thing. And what you'll find is you'll normally focus on the one thing that's most important to get done, the thing that you're uniquely good at, and you'll actually do it. That's my productivity hack.
That's actually great because I find that I don't tick off pretty much anything off my to-do list. So I think if I can just focus on one thing and maybe put a cross through that at the end of the day, then I'll feel pretty good.
Yeah, and quite often like it'll be the big thing, you know?
Yeah.
And which we tend to push towards the end of the day, I think.
Yeah.
And I think it's good to focus on the big things.
Right from
rather
the
than
get-go.
just like responding to emails and,
Yes.
you know, what other people want, you know?
Yeah.
And then your big thing gets pushed to the next day and it's not what you're uniquely good at.
Yeah, good tip. Thanks for sharing.
My pleasure.